I built multiple SaaS. Some made money, some didn't. And if I were starting today from scratch, this is the stack I would choose. Spoiler, most of it is free. So you have no excuses to start shipping now. Frontend and backend, Next.js. Yes, for both. It can be easier. One repo, one deploy, everything together, so this allows you to ship faster. Next.js can hold your front end with JavaScript or TypeScript and also allow you to have app router, API routes, and server actions. As I say, all together in one repo. So fewer things to break and very easy to ship fast your MVP. Database Postgres. Yes, boring and reliable. I used to use Supabase, but I move fast. I have a good video that I will pin it here, and in there I explain you why I move away. Now I host my Postgres database on my VPS and it's completely free. Hosting, VPS and Coolify. So for your VPS, it's probably one of the only things that you need to pay on this stack. So VPS is around $7.99 or something like that a month. I have mine with Hostinger and I didn't have any problem in over 1 year of my SaaS. And Coolify is open source and is free. It's basically a wrap up, so it makes the VPS nicer and you have an interface to deploy your SaaS. This replaces Vercel, that is a little bit slower and also have some unpredictable costs, so you never know how much you will end up paying. So with your VPS, it's probably a little bit harder to configure it, but I will pin here a tutorial for you to do it. But as soon as you have everything set, it's just one-click deployment, same like other hosting providers. Authentication. I use Next.auth and it's working very well with Next.js, super easy to implement, and I never have a problem in over 1 year, and also obviously it's free as well. Payments, Stripe. This is the second thing that you will need to pay for in this whole stack, but just if you make a sale, so don't worry. So it's 2.9% plus 30 cents per charge. Yes, maybe you think it's expensive, but you don't have to handle any card or bank related things, so you don't need to worry about safety. Emails, Resend. It has a generous free tier. I think it's around 3,000 emails per account, which is great, and this is all for free. It's very simple to use it, so you just need to connect to your domain and start sending emails. Analytics, Umami. Umami is open source and you can host it for free on your VPS and Coolify. I will also link here a tutorial so you can host it yourself. I really love Umami for analytics. They have a very nice dashboard and you can easily know where your visitors are coming from. Storage, Minio, is also open source and also you can host it for free on your VPS and Coolify. Tutorial can be found here. And in there I have all my media storage, my file uploads, and also I have my database backups. So forget about having to pay a lot of money for AWS to have your database backups. In here you can have everything for free. And the last thing that you will need to get to launch your SaaS will be the domain, but the cost for this is ridiculous and is for 1 year, so it's around $10-20. I got mine with Namecheap, but it's not a sponsor. I just chose that at the beginning and I didn't have a problem with that over a year either. There is no perfect stack. Just choose the stack that feels right for you, but just be aware if you want to move your stack later, you will need to refactor your code, and this doesn't allow you to ship fast, and this is the key to make money online. I hope now you have a clear mind about what is the best stack to build your SaaS. And if this video was helpful for you, just please like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.